Bitte einsteigen und Türen schließen. Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt.
Ah, what a black beauty! We do not know exactly if the model presented here is a kind of dinozaur or maybe just a simple H0 collection model that was ever produced only by Roco and TRIX. What we do know is that at over 10 years old, TRIX model 22642 it is, and not only looks, better than many models produced only a month ago. You just take it out of the old box and it seems made yesterday, a day away being given only by the transport from the seller to the collector. This remarkable durability of this model makes you wonder if it was unexpected very well made more than a decade ago, or if many of the today's Taurus models in H0 are deliberately, seemingly a little outdated in terms of appearance at least. Although the issues, strength and reliability are not to be ignored. Honestly, we don't understand well how TRIX managed this, but maybe no investigation has any charm, and overall this locomotive model in reality but also in the world of mini models, if it didn't exist, then it had to be specially invented. It looks great in reality as well in H0, this three-tailed dragon or this Taurus with 3 pantographs, not 4, not 2, but 3, to be easily and sure noticed from the crowd. With its sound design for melodic departure by Siemens, with its mostly metal construction, with its considerable weight, with excellent graphics detailing, with traction tires and a decent light representation, it is generally a model composition that produces only and only satisfaction both on the diorama and as a collector's item. To make it more notorious, they name it Bosporus Sprinter. Compared to the constructive generation it belongs to, yes, there are some shortcomings, such as the traction force allocated on a single bogie, the gears mechanism on the bogie a bit noisy, especially when climbing, and the light effect for the control station that is missing, but with implicit forgiveness, especially due to the fact that the model looks excellent at so many years of age, both in terms of appearance and operating condition. We tried for almost 3 years, interesting irony by number, to get our hands on this copy, and it was well worth the effort.